Welcome to ATM Tanks, your trusted experts in tank liners. Today, we are diving into the world of tank lining and why it's crucial for the longevity and safety of your storage tanks. It is essential to have appropriate tank liners for storage tanks of any dimension. They play a vital role in protecting the tank and decreasing the danger of leaks and environmental issues. We are professionals in tank liners at ATM Tanks, and we are here to give you 9 recommendations for an ideal tank lining application. Proper tank design, heating coils, chemical addition ports, internal stiffeners, and more, all play a role in making the application easy and offer a long service life. At ATM Tanks, we appreciate the importance of proper lining selection. Know the chemical composition, exposure, process cycles, temperature, and more for a successful tank lining. Avoid shortcuts. We never compromise on surface preparation because it leads to early failure. Always adhere to safety procedures for lining applications. Tank linings involve a procedure in a confined space and are serious service applications. Safety first. Water tank liners from ATM Tanks not only stop harmful products from entering your tank, but also increase its service life. Invest in corrosion-resistant tank lining for a longer-lasting tank. ATM Tanks offers cost-effective solutions for repairing worn-out water tanks of all sizes and shapes. We fabricate a typical water liner to your current water tank's exact dimensions. Choose a reliable supplier like ATM Tanks, with a wealth of lining experience. Rely on our team at ATM Tanks for the correct coating specification, timely installation, and strategic solutions for a huge variety of coating applications. Ready to transform your tank into a powerhouse? Contact us today. Dial us at 1-800-422-444 and let ATM Tanks be the hero your tank deserves. Because when it comes to tank care, we are not just experienced, we are legendary.